bless you. There's a car coming.
Are you happy now?
Yes, I'm very happy. Where's it leaving?
Don't remember.
Wait, because he's going through very, very slowly because he's a funny pants. You're gonna go. Oh my gosh! It's been all hours. I love it. I want to do it again. Again? Can we just do this all day? Thank you. I want to cry now. Is that much fun?
I never noticed that one. I've seen the other one, but never.